Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 BMW F650GS with ABS brakes. This bike is in beautiful shape, only 2,200 miles. It's also equipped with heated grips, and it's got a lot of nice touring accessories. It's got the taller windscreen, hand guards, Happy Trails removable side cases. It's also got the top case. Let's see what brand this is, I forgot. Oh, Pelican 1250 case. Awesome shape. The person who we acquired this bike from simply has 4 motorcycles, so they had to let something go. So your loss is their gain. It's also got a nice lightbar engine guard and the case guard or engine case guard down low, aluminum. We have financing available, extended service contracts, just $89.99. 2012 BMW F650GS with ABS. Fire it up so you can see how she sounds. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.